Hello friends, today's topic VIX at 10, markets poised higher. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. The India Volatility Index or India VIX, which is also called as the Fear Index, fell by 21% today. This drop was the sharpest since May 2019. VIX level is at 10. Currently, India VIX is at the lowest level since the past 9 months. On 25th May 2023, it had fallen to a low of 8.2 but closed at 12.5 later. Also, on 15 November 2023, VIX fell to 8.4 but closed at 11.1. India VIX had gone up to 14 last week when the Iran-Israel conflict had become tense. However, since then it has fallen and reached 10. This indicates that the fear sentiment in investors has fallen and investors are more bullish towards stock markets. When markets are heavily falling, VIX rises to a very high level and vice versa. Now, India VIX, the graph. Corona crash, it has reached 70. Russia-Ukraine war, it had reached VIX 28. And April 2023, VIX at 10. The reason VIX is called the fear index is because it measures the expected volatility in the index next 30 days. When VIX is low, it could mean that investors are very confident about the market and expect stability in the short term. When VIX is very high, it indicates that investors are expecting a big downtrend. However, as per analysts, when India VIX falls too much, it is not a good sign since there could be an increase in volatility if there are negative news. It usually said that VIX below 12 to 15 or so is comfortable markets to move upwards. Very high VIX will result in higher chance of market fall and also low level of VIX would lead to increase in volatility in the coming days. When VIX is low, it could also mean that investors are complacent and underestimating any negative factors. Any sudden development such as spike in the international oil price, continuation of geopolitical tension between Iran and Israel can push markets lower. But so far, things seem to be bright for the market and Nifty is only 400 points away from all-time high, which is only 1.7% higher than the current levels. Global stock markets today. Hong Kong, Hang Seng plus 1.89%, Japan Nikkei plus 0.3%, Germany DAX plus 0.66%, France CAC plus 0.35%, UK FTSE plus 0.26%, US Nasdaq 22nd April plus 1%. The India VIX level was between 10 to 12 in October-November 2023 before a good rally for Nifty around 19,000 to 22,700. The last 3 days have been positive for markets and a small rally has already started in the short term. Let us hope that India VIX stays in a comfortable range so that markets can stay strong and reward both long and short-term investors. End of the video, here is a question. Tata Docomo was a telecom business jointly run by Tata Group and NTT Docomo. NTT Docomo is a company from which country? There are 4 choices: France, Norway, Japan and China. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.